How to add files in your LDPlayer. Now, after installing your LDPlayer, you go to System Apps. Okay, you go to System Apps. When you click on System Apps, I believe by default your settings has to be there by default. I installed Chrome. File Manager has to be there by default. I believe even gallery, even contacts, files, messaging. Play Store, I think I had to install this. I'm not sure, but I think it was there. So by default, there's some apps which come with your LDPlayer, like the File Manager. File Manager comes default with your LDPlayer. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on File Manager. It will come like this. You see, I already have some files there. So what you're going to go do is you're going to, let me assume you're adding maybe a video or a file, a document. If you're adding an image, let me go here. You just have to drag this image into the LDPlayer. So let me drag this. Then I put it here. Then it will be added. So that's how you add media. This is how you add media in LDPlayer. Okay. See you in the next video, and thank you.